Hey guys, it's me again. After recording the introductory video and posting it, I realized there were two or three things I forgot to say, and one of them is very important. So I wanted to have a little addendum here that I want to make it hopefully nice and quick. First of all, I didn't mean to mention that I do have two 2130 classes this semester. So your class may have different colored buttons. Different CRN obviously, but still it's the same information. Of course, you'll notice I've added the first introductory video here, and I will add this video when I finish to the bottom of the menu here. The second thing I want to mention, I mentioned due dates. Let me just stress to you the importance of turning things in on time. I have some students who want to just always turn in work late. And I know you may be busy. You probably have a full-time job. You may have a family. You may be a non-traditional student. I get it. But you got to turn things in on time. It's just like a job. This is a college class. Due dates are what they are. Obviously, if something major is happening in your life that's preventing you from turning things in, I hope you'll let me know. But I have some students who every week they'll send me a new excuse. A computer malfunction, a family problem, something's going on. Well, obviously, I can't accept those excuses all the time. Most of the time, quite frankly, I don't accept them. If your computer's acting up, that's why you don't want to put things off to the last minute. Technology does act up sometimes. I hope you have a neighbor. I know the public library has computers you can use, a family member somewhere you can go to use their computer. You have to solve the problem. And if you put it off to the last minute, there may not be time to solve the problem. And that's just unfortunately the way it is. And 10 points is not that big of a penalty. And you may just have to take a penalty every now and then. But again, if you keep on taking penalties, if every assignment's turned in late, those really add up and it becomes difficult to pass, quite frankly, if you have too many late penalties. But the thing I really want to talk the most about right now is plagiarism. I just want to make sure you understand what plagiarism is, the assignments in this class. I don't know, there may be one or two assignments that say to consult the internet. Of course, a research paper, you have to consult the internet. There may be a couple of assignments, though, that say to consult the internet for different interpretations of the literature or whatever. But unless it says that, the work you post should be your own work. You should not be consulting the internet. You should not be going to Cliff Notes or whatever those websites are that give you, summaries and interpretations of the literature. You should not be getting ideas from anywhere else. You should not be, of course, getting words and sentences from anywhere else. It should all come from yourself. You should be reading the literature and formulating your own interpretation. And of course, responding to your classmates who hopefully have done the same thing. Plagiarism is a big deal, especially if it's for one of the major essays and you turn in work that has been turned in before by another student or that you got from the internet. The software here in Blackboard and turnitin.com, that software will catch you. And I will certainly, the penalty is 0. That's just GNTC policy. That's my policy. And so I want to caution you to be sure to turn in your own work. Throughout the semester, do not cheat. Do not take shortcuts. If you do not understand something, ask me, send me an email, and I'll be glad to help you understand it before you post your work. But you have to be able to read it and make meaning on your own. Anyway, thank you. I just wanted to really stress that. Again, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to working with you this semester. Thanks for watching.